Could a generic keyboard actually deliver a premium gaming and typing experience? This Corona mechanical keyboard promises exactly that, and we're about to find out if it lives up to the hype. Right out of the box, this keyboard feels surprisingly solid. It's designed to provide a smooth, responsive gaming experience and also boost your efficiency for everyday work. The first thing you notice is the ergonomic design. With its specially shaped keycaps and a thoughtful keyboard shelf, it really aims to keep your fingers and wrists in the most comfortable state possible. Whether you're deep into an intense gaming marathon or just powering through a long typing session, the comfort factor is genuinely there. It's a compact little powerhouse too, measuring in at just 357.5 by 132.5 by 24.5 millimeters, making it a great fit for almost any desk setup without sacrificing functionality. Now let's talk performance. This keyboard supports full N-key rollover, or NKRO, which means every single key press registers, quickly and precisely, no matter how many keys you hit at once. For gamers, that's absolutely crucial for executing complex commands without a hitch. For typists, it means no missed strokes, just pure, uninterrupted flow. This particular model comes with red switches, which are known for their linear, smooth travel and quiet operation, making them fantastic for fast-paced gaming and comfortable, less fatiguing typing. And let's not forget those PBT keycaps. They feel great under the fingers, offering a slightly textured finish that resists shine and wear over time, which is a huge plus for durability and maintaining that premium feel. While this one is the red switch variant, it's good to know that options like Cherry MX Brown and Blue are also available, catering to different preferences for tactile feedback or clicky sounds. It truly positions itself as the perfect mechanical keyboard for both office and home use, and after spending some time with it, that claim holds up. The responsiveness is immediate, the build quality feels robust, and the ergonomic considerations are genuinely appreciated. It's not just about flashy lights, it's about core functionality and comfort. Verdict: this Corona mechanical keyboard delivers an impressive blend of ergonomic comfort, precise performance with NKRO and quality red switches, and durable PBT keycaps, making it a surprisingly strong contender for anyone seeking a versatile and reliable mechanical keyboard for both intense gaming and productive typing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.